Oh yeah, the Chinese are very naughty again. New multi-game cards for AES NEOGEO. Predator mode activated. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back, people. Oh, already said it. But alright, so in today's video it's time for a video just to talk about some awesome stuff. So a while back I did a talking video about a multi-game card for your NEOGEO AES. If I remember it correctly, it was the 161-in-1. But I was surprised seeing this one, because basically he's saying this one, This is a smaller collection, so why would you even buy it? Is something like this. So we're going to take a close look at it together. So the first thing I'm noticing, I'm guessing this is not a conversion from the MVS version. We have the 161, that's a pretty damn old card, and they converted it to the AES, but this one looks totally different. We're having, again, a lot of familiar games, smaller collection. But if you look at it, the cartridge itself, it looks pretty nice. Let me know what you think of this. I really like this. I'm guessing this was a Japanese arcade cabinet. I really love this one. It's very cool they're using it. There's not a lot of information, as you can see. I'm going to scroll back. And you can see the game list. So, I don't know what kind of games you like to play on the NEOGEO. And there are some good games, Neo Bomberman for example, I'm just picking one out. But there are a lot of games thinking, why would you even consider putting this... Okay, we have Breaker's Revenge. But still, why? Why do you leave out all of those great games? I don't get it. Why are you even doing this? So again, it's not a cheap card. If you're saying, okay, you can buy this 40-in-1 for, let's say, €100. It's cheaper than the other version, but no. To be honest, it is even more expensive. Maybe if I'm digging around, I can find it for a cheaper price, but still, it's a lot of money for 40 games. And yeah, no, the original games are crazy expensive, but still, if you have the option to choose a 161-in-1, or you're choosing this one. No. I don't get it. So, let me know what you think of this. I really love to know. It's more like a very short video about this multi-game card. I wanted to share it with you. And the reason why I'm making the Predator mode, I'm not going to buy something like this. It's a crazy amount of money, and for this I think it's not worth it. Again, let me know what you think of this, and I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, because you get notified for upcoming videos. And if you're into gaming like this, check out the Wicked Gaming channel, because we have a lot of great stuff going around there. See you next time, bye bye.